Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. Are you confused about how to change your Bitmoji gender? If yes, then in today's video I am going to show you exactly how to change Bitmoji gender into your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the application, just simply go to your profile by clicking to your Bitmoji icon into the top left corner. Step 2. Go to the settings and select Bitmoji. Now after coming to your Snapchat profile, you can see this gear button into the top right corner. Just simply tap into that, and after going there, you can see your Bitmoji option here. Just simply click into that. And after coming to the Bitmoji section, just simply tap into this Unlink My Bitmoji option. Step 3. Create a new avatar with the gender that you want to select. Now after deleting your old Bitmoji, you can create a new avatar with the gender that you want. Just simply click to this Create My Avatar button. Then after clicking into that, you just simply have to select any of the gender option given here, and show your face into the center of this circle and click to continue. And after continuing, save the process as you want. This way, you can change gender in your Bitmoji. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.